This is the gardening family welcoming y'all back to my gardening channel. Welcome back, gardening fantastics. My garden family and I hope that you'll enjoy this gardening episode, and hopefully it'll inspire you to want to garden too. Thanks for your time and support. Hey gardening fantastics, welcome back to the channel. Looky here, check it out. I'm propagating the calliope plant. The calicola. Look at all the little new leaves growing on these propagated leaves. Set on dirt, damp the dirt, set the leaves on there, and if you're lucky, they'll start growing new plants. And that is what's going on. New plants from leaves. This is called propagation. Getting leaves, stems, trunks, whatever, to regrow and make a new plant. Creating, making, encouraging, giving it your best shot in order to grow a new plant from a piece of an old plant. And look, these are just leaves growing new plants on them. See the little babies? Gorgeous. All right, that's it. Have a great gardening day. Thanks for your time and support.